know you're getting close when you start seeing a lot of aluminum.
Welcome to this week's Luv Subbin short film series.
Today we're going to be arriving at Rock Springs for the International Rally.
And we'll show you everything you need to know and to see to help you get into the International Rally at Rock Springs.
Yeah, we're really excited. This is our parking day. This is Tuesday. Yep. We're a little early because we're doing the vendors.
Yep.
And we're going to see how it goes.
So we just left the Rollins KOA, which is about 106 miles east of Rock Springs. It is an excellent, what I call, I've coined the term, a ro-ro campground.
Which is almost directly right off the interstate.
Yes, it's named after ro-ro ships or roll-on, roll-off ships. So the KOA, it was flat, it had full hookups, so we were able to dump our tanks.
It was basically a small parking lot. But
yeah, it wasn't beautiful, but it was exactly what you want. 106 miles. When you show up at your parking day for the International Rally, they prefer that you show up as early as possible, like in the 8, 9, 10 o'clock round.
Because there are going to be a lot of people coming in at the same time.
So it's perfect for that. So we highly recommend that KOA, even though, you know, KOAs are not always big. This time it was perfect.
According to our GPS, it's going to be exit 104.
We're traveling westbound, coming in from the east on I-80.
Yep.
Use the right lane to take exit 104 onto US 191 North. At the light, use the right lane to turn onto Elk Street toward Pinedale.
Oh yeah, that downshifting, I love it. Love my 10-speed transmission.
Turn right.
So we're still about 2.3 miles away from it, according to the GPS, so I don't expect to see any signs quite yet. ACI Rally.
Yep.
Right turn 1,000 feet.
So yeah, if you're coming in from whatever direction, you're going to see the ACI Rally, and you can see it off in the distance there.
And there's these flappy little flags that will indicate the entrance. Easy peasy.
And you can see the wind that we dealt with, the 40.
So this is our turn here.
Yep. So it is the grandstand entrance if you're
looking to get specific.
These are the floppy flags you'll be looking for to make the correct turn in.
And
here we are, entering the area. So we're going to look for some parking people to tell us where to go.
Yep.
Welcome Airstream Club International.
You're just going to head to the flag if you can.
As of right now, I'll park behind that individual with the bike.
Yep. And our friends are following us behind. So just look for the flags and somebody will direct you. See, there's someone up ahead waving a
So I
orange
assume
flag.
that means
They want us there.
come here and not turn around, go away.
Yep, straight ahead. And
That definitely looks like come here.
Yep. So that's where we'll go.
Okay, so we've just pulled in. They're going in. And this is one of the reasons why they request that you have the big red numbers on your trailer in some location. Like, you don't have to put it on the aluminum, put it on a plexiglass or whatever, because the window or whatever, because now they're able to say, okay, bingo, 1062. They went in to get all of our stuff for us.
Yes.
So
it's easier than having to walk to each trailer and ask them what their numbers are.
Yeah. So that's just one of the good reasons. I like.
So they're all set up here in this little blue shed thing. And they're gonna go get our stuff.
All right.
Let's go. And note the parking hours are 8 a.m. to, looks like 6 p.m., correct? All right, so what did they give us?
So, yep, so we just pulled in. They gave us 2 of our rally programs. The programs, if you've seen some of the older ones, used to be big. I love these because you put them in your back pocket. They're awesome.
Yep.
We got a letter with all the information that we might need.
Yep.
And they put a sticker onto our window showing that it's us, that'll be used for a variety of different purposes.
Yep. Sounds good.
We're just kind of waiting a few minutes for the parking committee to come around and park us.
So, yep, easy peasy.
Easy peasy.
All right, here we go.
got our parking little golf cart showing us the way. I don't drive fast. Golf carts apparently drive fast.
Well, they're not carrying all the stuff, but we're carrying. All right. Well, now we're on a proper road. We were in the dirt for a bit.
All right, it's still pretty windy, but you can see our site. We are docked and chalked. It's really a wide open area that you can pull into. We were lucky enough to pull into some of these empty corrals, and you might be able to do that as well if your corral in front of you is empty. If not, it's still going to be a pretty easy back in. The parking committee is just going to tell you to get about a couple feet to the side of the sign there, so you have an awning opening, and we can see how Cindy did here in just a second.
So when they parked us, they wanted us to back in and stay fairly close to this post here. So I'm probably maybe 2.5 feet away from it. That's so you can have enough room in the front to set up your awning and all your chairs and stuff. And they want you to bring it back to about a foot in the back so that you have enough room to reach all your utilities. So
I would say we pretty much greased it.
I think I said pretty good on the first try.
And you can see as we come around, you've got more than sufficient room to set out your awning. There is not a picnic table here. I think I've seen that asked.
Or a fire pit.
Or a fire ring. We're going to find out about the rules. Yep. It's this nice gravelly surface here. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the services. All right, so as you can see, when we're backed in, there's an alleyway of services, which in most cases, I know they say to bring 50 feet. Definitely still bring 50 feet if you need to, because I don't know what some of the other campsites are like. We are in the White Mountain campsite, which is tough for a Green Mountain guy, but we're in the White Mountain, so you can see everything is pretty close. I did not need to use any of my extension cords or anything. The important thing you need to know, though, is that it is all 50 amp service. So you need to have, if you have a 30 amp rig, a dog bone connector adapter to adapt your 50 and to your 30 amp cord. So if you don't have that, you will need that, at least according to the way our sites are set up. Starlink's got, of course, a clear sky. I just measured, let's see, 76 megabytes per second download, and 11 megabytes upload. So overall, the Starlink service here is pretty good.
Yep.
Water pressure was at 48 psi, so there's no need to have a water pressure reducer. That's what we measured it.
But bring one just in case your hookups are different.
Absolutely, or if you want to use one. 234 ppm on the direct solid, total dissolved solid. So the water quality here is really good, and overall you can see it's pretty kind of interesting with these corrals here. But I think it's going to work out really nicely for the services. Of course, one final service note: our sewer hookup is pretty close. So. They're all that way, you can see. All right, Cindy couldn't help herself. She's scanning the QR code just in case it says, if you do this, you win $100.
And all it does is search for your BRN numbers.
So it comes up with 10. So that QR code says 1062.
Yes.
That's pretty cool, though, still.
Yeah.
And it's Wyoming, so looks like something's happening over there. There's a nice little rain shaft. All right, well, there you have it. We are docked and chalked at the International Rally here at the Sweetwater Events Complex in Rock Springs, Wyoming.
Everything was easy peasy, I thought.
The arrival, as you saw, everything was pretty easy. So, yeah, we're looking forward to meeting all of you guys. If you guys see us anywhere on the ground, stop off and say hello. We always enjoy meeting those of you that might watch some of our content.
That would be a lot of fun.
So if you like this video,
give us a big thumbs up.
And if you think we've earned a subscription, click the subscribe.
And comment below as to what day you are arriving today.
And if you're going to come by and see us, because we come out with Airstream and RV related short film series just like this one every now and then. Well, actually, we come out with international arrival videos once a year. All right.
Thanks for watching.